What if Alexa could actually make the home feel calmer, safer, and faster without another gadget that collects dust? Today, the best Amazon Alexa devices that genuinely earn their spot. If building a smart home feels overwhelming, this video cuts through the noise with a ranked list of 7 Alexa devices that are actually worth buying and how to use each one for maximum value in daily life. Stick around to the end for the one device that quietly replaces a whiteboard, a TV, and a family hub all in one. 7. Amazon Echo Spot. The Echo Spot is a charming smart alarm clock with a compact display that makes a nightstand feel smarter without taking over the space. The circular screen is perfect for glanceable info, time, weather, and reminders, so mornings start with quick context, not chaos. The audio punches above its size for news briefings and podcasts, and Alexa's voice controls make snoozing alarms or asking for the day's schedule effortless. In daily use, the Spot feels designed for the bedside. Ambient clock faces at night, low-glare visuals, and a voice-first experience that doesn't insist on touch. That said, the Spot isn't trying to be a mini TV, and that's both a strength and a limitation. The display is great for quick glanceables, but it's not the best for video beyond short clips or security camera snapshots. If the expectation is Echo Show but smaller, the Spot feels more like Echo Dot, but visual, which is exactly where it shines. It's an elegant upgrade for alarms, routines, and smart home scenes triggered at wake-up or bedtime. In the bedroom, the Spot pairs brilliantly with smart lights. Say goodnight, and it dims bulbs, locks doors, and sets a wake-up routine with a sunrise light fade. The display transforms into a subtle nightstand clock that adjusts brightness automatically, and the tap to snooze is a small delight that becomes a daily habit. For anyone who wants less phone time before bed, the Spot makes it easier to break the doom-scrolling loop. Number 6. Amazon Echo Pop. The Echo Pop is the fits-anywhere Alexa speaker that excels in tight spaces, bookshelves, counters, desks, and small rooms where bigger speakers feel intrusive. Setup is quick, the mic pickup is reliable, and voice responses are snappy. It's ideal for basic smart home control, lights, plugs, thermostats, and for quick tasks like timers, reminders, and intercom announcements. As a low-cost way to add Alexa to more rooms, it's hard to beat. Where the Pop surprises is its directional sound. The front-firing speaker projects cleanly into a space, making dialogue and vocals easy to hear at moderate volume. For podcasts, news, and light music listening, it's dependable. The compact design also helps it disappear into decor, especially in colorful finishes that blend into children's rooms or workspaces. Now the trade-offs. If music is the priority, the Pop soundstage is narrow and bass-light compared to larger Echo models. It's fine for casual listening, but doesn't fill a room or satisfy for richer genres. Also, without a built-in smart home hub radio like Zigbee or Thread in some pricier models, certain non-Wi-Fi devices may require a separate bridge. And occasionally, when a room is noisy, the Pop needs an extra command repeat to catch wake words at a distance. As a utility device, though, it shines. Put one by the entryway to turn on a welcome scene, in a bathroom for morning news, or in the kitchen to run simultaneous timers. In multi-room setups, it's a terrific voice node that makes the whole system feel omnipresent without overspending. 5. Amazon Echo Dot. The Echo Dot is the sweet spot for price to performance, and the first speaker most people should consider for a smart home. Compared to the Pop, it delivers noticeably richer audio with tighter mids and more present bass, making music and radio feel fuller in small to medium rooms. The microphones are excellent even across the room, and the physical controls on top are responsive and intuitive. For most daily tasks, timers, weather, calendar, smart lights, the Dot is effortlessly reliable. The Dot is also a routines powerhouse. Morning automation can trigger lights, read the commute, and play a news briefing with a single phrase. At night, a custom scene can lock doors, run a security check, and lower the thermostat. When paired with compatible sensors, the Dot can respond to motion or temperature changes, turning on a fan when a room gets warm or switching on hall lights after sunset. Despite its small footprint, the Dot pulls off background music duties well. It won't shake walls, but for lo-fi beats while working or jazz at dinner, the sound is clean and fatigue-free. Pairing two dots for stereo or adding a sub-capable Echo setup elevates things further, and multi-room audio is smooth once configured. Voice calls and drop-ins are clear, making it a handy intercom in larger homes. In terms of reliability, the Dot holds up over time. Wi-Fi reconnection after power cycles is quick, and Alexa responsiveness remains consistent even when other devices are online. Number 4. Amazon Echo Hub. The Echo Hub is the command center for people who want their smart home to feel organized and unified. It's a slim, wall-mountable touch display that centralizes controls for lights, locks, cameras, thermostats, and routines into one always-ready dashboard. Instead of juggling multiple apps or shouting across the house, the hub lets quick taps or voice commands trigger entire scenes: away, movie night, good morning, with instant feedback from tiles and live camera previews. What sets the hub apart is breadth of compatibility. With support for modern standards like Matter and Thread, plus Alexa's deep device ecosystem, it acts like a universal translator so devices from different brands actually cooperate. Adding devices feels faster and less flaky, and the dashboard can be customized so the most important controls are always in reach. For security-minded users, having cameras, locks, and sensors on a single panel is a game changer. The hub also shines in households where not everyone loves voice. Guests or kids can tap to dim lights, unlock a smart lock with a code, or arm a system without learning a dozen commands. Paired with routines, it can automate the boring stuff: turning off forgotten lights, managing HVAC schedules, or switching into nighttime mode based on time or occupancy. It's the difference between smart devices and a truly smart home. In daily use, the performance feels snappy. Tiles update quickly, switching rooms is smooth, and the UI is glanceable from a few feet away. 3. Amazon Echo Show 5. The Echo Show 5 is the compact smart display that makes Alexa visual without overwhelming a small space. On a bedside table, kitchen counter, or office desk, it's ideal for glanceable widgets: calendars, timers, camera feeds, and sticky note-style reminders. The touchscreen makes common actions faster than voice, setting a timer while on a call, adjusting lights with a finger swipe, or joining a routine with a tap. Privacy is strong too, with a physical camera shutter and mic controls that are easy to trust. For cooking, the Show 5 earns its keep fast. Timers stack visibly, step-by-step recipes stay on screen, and the ability to peek at a doorbell feed while hands are messy is priceless. The sound is surprisingly full for the size, great for podcasts, radio, and casual music while prepping meals or cleaning. As a desk companion, it quietly manages the day: calendar tiles, quick notes, and drop-ins to other rooms when it's time for dinner. Video calls are simple and clear for quick check-ins. While the screen isn't meant for binge-watching, short clips, news briefings, and quick streaming sessions are comfortable on a surface within arm's reach. The interface adapts well, showing simplified content at a distance and richer options when close. Where the Show 5 shines is how it makes the home feel connected. A tap reveals live camera views, a routine dims lights and starts white noise at night, and a short phrase pulls up the morning schedule while coffee brews. It's small, friendly, and genuinely useful where space is tight. 2. Amazon Echo Show 8. The Echo Show 8 hits the Goldilocks zone for smart displays, big enough to serve as a central screen in most rooms, small enough to fit comfortably on a counter or sideboard. The audio is markedly richer than the Show 5, with fuller bass and clearer mids that hold up in larger spaces. As a hub, it excels. Smart home controls are responsive, camera feeds are crisp, and the adaptive interface smartly changes what it shows based on distance: glanceable info from afar, more detailed cards up close. What elevates the Show 8 is versatility. In the kitchen, it's an entertainment screen, recipe helper, and intercom. In the living room, it's a photo frame, music player, and control hub for lights, shades, and scenes. Video calls shine thanks to a solid camera with framing that keeps faces centered, and the built-in privacy shutter gives peace of mind when the call's done. For families, it's a natural gathering point for shared lists, reminders, and routines that just happen without debate. Smart home compatibility is excellent. Support for standards like Matter and Thread means devices pair faster and stay connected more reliably. The Show 8 also works well as a bridge for devices from different brands, so a new bulb or plug doesn't require rethinking the whole setup. Multi-room music syncs smoothly, and voice recognition handles different household members accurately. In practice, this is the screen most people will use the most. 1. Amazon Echo Show 15. The Echo Show 15 is the big screen that transforms a wall into a true family hub. Calendar, to-dos, shopping lists, security feeds, and entertainment all on a single glanceable canvas. Mounted in a kitchen, hallway, or family room, it becomes the command surface that keeps a busy household in sync. Widgets shine at this size. Layered reminders, sticky notes, shared photos, and smart home controls that don't feel cramped. Instead of phones, the family looks to the wall, and that shift reduces friction instantly. In daily use, the Show 15 replaces multiple devices. It's a smart display, a digital corkboard, a household dashboard, and a streaming screen. Watching a cooking show while following a recipe next to it is surprisingly natural. Picture-in-picture camera feeds let a parent keep an eye on the nursery while cooking, and the larger speakers do a respectable job filling open-plan spaces with music or news. For doorbells and security cameras, the larger view makes identification faster and safer. Customization is where the Show 15 really excels. Set up profiles so each person sees relevant widgets, school schedules for one, grocery lists for another, and quick access controls for whoever runs the lights and locks. Scenes like morning, dinner, and goodnight become one-tap rituals that reset the home. Combined with a few Echo speakers, the Show 15 becomes the visible brain of the system. Everything else responds to it. Closing CTA. If this helped map out the smart home plan, hit like and subscribe. There's a follow-up coming on the smartest routines to automate mornings, nights, and travel days. Drop a comment. Which Alexa device should be ranked higher or lower, and what room needs the upgrade next?